Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great ingredient that would help you to lift up your face, tighten it up, and as a result your face is going to get younger, it's going to look younger, and your skin is going to be fresher. Okay, so this face lift ingredient is all natural ingredient. It's amazing and it's also very effective. So if you want to know what all of this is, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let me take you right into this video. Alright guys, so for face lifts and to tighten up the skin at the face area, I'm going to be needing to use cucumber. Now, because cucumber contains a whole lot of juice and it contains an ingredient that helps to increase the skin elasticity, it helps so much in terms of removing wrinkles as well as removing fine lines on the face. It works in making your skin rejuvenate and make your skin look younger. Alright, since I have a half cut of cucumber, I would have to make use of that instead of cutting that big one. So we're gonna be cutting just a little of this. Right, so I'm going to be cutting into tiny pieces so my blender can actually blend it real quick. I'm not going to be putting any water because the cucumber contains a lot of juice, and that is the only juice we need for this ingredient, guys. Okay, so now I'll have to be extracting the juice because the juice is definitely what we've been needing to make this remedy a tightening skin remedy. So after which I'm going to be pressing it so that the juice could come out. Alright, so we've gotten enough juice for this. And now guys, we're also going to be needing rice. Okay, so you can either use your dry rice or you can use a boiled rice. So I have here my dried and blended rice. I processed this myself. Okay, I actually didn't buy it in the market. So how you're going to be getting this is that you're going to take some of your rice. You're going to take some of your dry rice, put it in a strong blender and blend it, and then you have a rice powder. Basically, it's as simple as that. So you do not need to go, look for rice powder to buy, because even me, when I went to, buy rice powder, I actually ordered it online. I couldn't get it. I actually went to the market. I couldn't get it. So I had to improvise it myself. So I'm gonna be putting about 2 tablespoons of rice powder, and then I mix it up just like this. It's not going to be too thick, but it's going to be friendly enough so to apply on my skin. Leave it now, I'm holding it. So this is it. Alright guys, so the very next ingredient we're going to be needing for this will be potato. Now potato is a great remedy when it comes to the skin because it contains a whole lot of numerous benefits that helps so much for the skin. It helps to keep the skin smooth, it helps to lighten up the skin, and it helps to remove pigments. It equally helps to firm up the skin because of the starch nature in this potato. So you need potato a whole lot for this ingredient, so this shouldn't be skipped, okay? So what I'm doing right now, I'm just peeling the potatoes so I can actually, prepare it for this treatment, for this skin tightening and skin firming treatment. So after doing that, I'm going to be slicing it so that I can, just blend it into a paste form. I'll grab my blender and blend it without putting in any water. Alright guys, so it's properly blended and smooth. And now we're going to be putting our potato blended potato into the treatment, and this make this work better guys. It's going to make it work even better. This consistency is perfect. You don't need to make it too watery, no, too thick. So the very last ingredient we're going to be needing for this will be egg. Now when you talk about egg and the skin, it goes a whole long way. It makes the skin tight, firm, and it helps to polish up the skin. Alright, so it helps in reducing the pores found on the skin, which is actually bringing excessive oil on the skin and clogging up the skin. So we're going to be putting in just the egg whites in this. Alright, so that is almost set and almost ready. Okay, so you have to stir and stir for a little while so that the egg and all of the ingredients can actually mix together. Okay, so that's it. This is the treatment. Go use this to firm up your skin tighten up your skin and make your skin look really smooth. Alright guys, so you guys are going to excuse me for today. Let me use my hands and as illustration. These things are quite natural. Everything in here is something you have to apply onto your face and firm up your face. It's going to tighten it up. Now what you do is that you grab this treatment and then you would have to apply it onto your face just like this. Now when you are applying this, you would have to apply it generously, apply it much onto your face. In some cases you can even apply it 2 times, like you double the coat of it, you know, you double it so that when it wants to dry, it dries really well and firm up your skin literally. So after the very first coating onto your skin, your face and your neck, and then you have to apply a second coating. Okay, you have to apply a second coating. Alright guys, so after you've applied this, you have to leave it for it to dry. Okay, when it is dry, then you can actually wash it off. You can leave it for about 3 minutes or 5 minutes, anyhow you can stay. Okay, when it is dry, then you would have to go wash it off with a normal water or a lukewarm water, anyone you can just reach. You use it to wash it off. You use a toilet soap and follow suit with a mild lotion so that you don't actually ruin your result. This is going to help to firm up and tighten up your skin and make your skin glow. Alright, so I'll give this a try and do it just, let's say, 2 times in a week, and it's gonna be working really well. So that's it. Go try this facelift remedy, you know, to facelift your face and tighten it up and remove all of those fine lines and have your skin looking younger. Now the key secret to this also is that you have to always moisturize. Use a lot of moisturizing lotion, very good one, to keep your face hydrated so your face would not have to sag. So that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao.